Hey everyone, it's Michael and Matt from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, and we need
help. We need help, Michael. I'm drowning.
Yeah.
Please.
We are appealing to the wider community. We have one position anyway, and probably even two positions going at Bullion Now. Because as you can see, I'm looking scruffy because I haven't shaved because we're so busy. Matt's so confused that he can't even work out which way up his microphone is going to go. And so we need, as Matt said, we need help. So if you look in the link below, you'll actually see an advert for a job at Bullion Now. We're looking for someone who's incredibly customer focused. As I hope everyone knows that views these videos, one of our main goals is to be customer focused and provide that excellent service. Also, you don't need to know everything about Bullion. Matt's a guru, Ruben's a guru, Brett's a guru. All of us can help you learn the finer details. Obviously, an interest in Bullion's great, but even that, we've started people here who have no clue about Bullion for different reasons. And
they come around eventually.
Yeah, pretty quickly they're saying, oh, I like that, and they start talking the talk and buying things. So even if it's not a huge passion for you, but you are, like I said, that customer service focused person, we'd definitely be interested in hearing from you. You would be working very closely with Matt initially.
That's it. I'll give you all the tools you need to succeed. We'll work closely together. I'll give you all the appropriate training. Hopefully it'll be a lot of fun, but I'm dying at the moment, Michael. So I look forward to hopefully meeting the right person. Sounds like a dating platform.
It sounds like we're going on a dating service.
But it's good fun. It's a good team. No 2 days are the same. It's
no 2 hours are the same.
It can be highly stressful. So ability to cope under a little bit of pressure would be desirable, but it's
you need some basic computer skills. So we're not asking for you to program in any weird languages or anything like that, but you do need to be able to, if you've got the basics of Excel and Word and that type of stuff, you'll be able to cope with our systems in the back end.
Yep.
So, that sort of thing. If you've had exposure to SAP or Business One, that's a bonus, but it's absolutely not necessary because we're all going to go on a training course on it very soon anyway.
Should be fun, yeah.
What else do they need?
Ideally, a bit of a self-starter. You can manage your own workload to a degree, be motivated, enthusiastic.
Not scared of the phone.
Not scared of the phone, that's right. Competent written communication skills, so sending emails and things like that with an attention to detail. As a lot of people would know in this industry, detail is everything, right?
You really have to have an eye for detail.
Yeah.
That's across the whole company, whether it's sending emails or, when we dispatch things, making sure that, when it's sending out a 2022 Britannia, not a 21 Britannia, it's that type of detail is required in this job.
Absolutely.
What are some of the benefits of working here, other than working with your good self?
Geez, yeah, look out. The team is great. It's a good... like I say, with no 2 days being the same, and particularly with what I've found myself doing, helping out in a number of different departments, doing these videos is a lot of fun, but not required for whoever comes on board. If you enjoy this type of thing, it's a lot of fun. I find it develops your communication skills doing these types of things, but also helping out in the shop from time to time, seeing all the different stock that comes through, seeing a lot of the stock before anyone else is a bit of fun. You have some tense conversations when people want to grill you for the heads up, but it's really interesting. It's a lot of fun. And as you said, if you're not already interested in this industry, but just have that customer service oriented approach to things, you'll learn a lot, and it's a lot of fun. It's very interesting.
You also get first sneak peek at any buybacks.
Yeah, look out. So, good fun. Never a dull moment.
It is. So if you'd like to join the team at Bullion Now, this is a Melbourne-based job at this stage.
Yep.
So you'll be here in level 6 in 227 Collins Street. So bear that in mind. If you don't want to commute into the city, that is definitely part of the game.
Yep.
But if you'd like to join us now, click on the link below, read through the job description, and if it floats your boat, send your resume through to resume@bullionnow.com.au. So that's RESUME
Perfect.
@bullionnow.com.au. And we will go through the applications and we will get back to you
Yeah.
one way or t'other.
Even if you know someone, if you suspect, if you've got a friend or relative who's on the prowl, pass this on to them. They can see this video, get the flavour for what's going on, and we'd love to hear from you.
Work out that we're not really mainstream.
Yeah. On that note,
Yes.
a customer is at the door.
We must be off. Thanks for watching. Apply if you can. See ya.
See ya.